Hi guys, so today we are going to do an unboxing video. I have some good stuff here. In Kenya today, 8 out of 10 people probably own a Tecno phone, but did you know they also have some epic earbuds, some awesome and amazing earbuds. So today we are going to open up this beast and take a look at it. So when you open up your box, you're going to find this. This is the first thing you're going to find. Inside it, we have the manual, the earbuds manual. So it has the basics of how you're supposed to use them, how you're supposed to switch from maybe music to game mode. Everything you need to know is in here. So let's open up this beast. So first, let's talk about the charger. We have the charger here. It's a good length. You can charge it through the laptop, through anywhere you need to. Also, we have some extra ear tips here. We have like 4 pairs of ear tips, small sized ones, a medium sized one, a large one, and an extra large one. So all these are yours. So best part about this is the earbuds themselves. So when you open up, it lights up. So here are your earbuds. You see how they look? They look epic. They just look awesome. When you wear them, you can take your calls. You can listen to your music. You can change it to game mode. Another thing is that they can stay up to 25 hours while you're using them. You're listening to your music, you're playing your game, it can stay up to 25 hours. So you need to get yourself this, because who doesn't want to listen to good music? It has good sound, it has good bass, tremble, all that in one earbud. What else do you need in this world? You should get yourself these. You can use them with your Tecno phone, with your PC, with your Apple products, whichever product you need. So guys, the design of this thing is from another world. It's epic. Just look at these lightings. They change colors. Now it is lighting purple. Then I think it's going to light red. Yes, then blue, then green. It has a lot of colors. It's just epic. I just get enough of these things. So another thing, while using them, let's say you want to you want to pick a call. What you're going to do, you're just going to double tap in the touch pad, the touch area. Then if you want to reject the call, you're going to long press like for 2 seconds at that touch area. Then it's going to reject the call. When you want to end the call, you just double tap on either of the earbuds. Also, when playing music and you want to pause or you want to resume, you just tap once, then it's going to pause, tap again, it's going to resume. So guys, when you want to let's say you're listening to your music and you want to play the previous song, what you'll do, you're just going to double tap on the left ear, you're just going to double tap on the left earbud. And when you want to play next, you do the vice versa. Let's say you want to change from music. Okay, music is the default setting. So if you want to change to game mode, what you're going to do, you're going to triple tap the touch area. Then it's going to change to game mode. It's going to tell you game mode activated. And when you want to go back, you just do the same thing. Triple tap 3 times at the touch area, and it is going to change to change back to music. So guys, that's it for this video. You need to get yourself some earbuds from Tecno. They're just epic. I'm going to leave a link of where you're supposed you can get them. Physical shop, it's in Sarit Center, but I'm going to leave every details, and bye.